Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. You must be wondering there is nothing on my table today, but wait, don't worry. I am coming with these lovely and super gorgeous handmade bangle decoration with 5 different variations in pastel shades, and they are made using old bangles, so you can convert your old and boring bangles into these gorgeous bangle set. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I have some bangle bases in different styles. This bigger one is a plastic base bangle. Then this one is glass, and these are normal glass bangles in pink color. So you can convert in any size. If you have such kind of glass bangles, you can create this much thick bangle set bracelet by joining the bangles together, but I am using today these 3 different variations. So you can create different thickness by adding 1 bangle, 2 bangle or more bangles together. So first I am creating my first bunch by adding these 3 bangles together. So if you have old bangles which you are not using more and they are just lying here and there, you can convert this into beautiful piece. So here I am using fabric glue and attaching 3 bangles together like this. Allow it to dry completely so that we can start working on this. Keep it aside. So it's completely dried. Now for my first bangle, here I am using this cream color embroidery thread, and before starting with the wrapping work, we have to just open the thread completely and create a small ball, because when we will wrap the bangle using thread, it may get tangled and it is very tough, trust me, to detangle the thread. So beforehand you have to just create a small ball like this and just open your thread completely. Now taking back my bangle bunch, add little fabric glue on this, put your thread like this and start wrapping it completely very near to each other. You have to create nice and thick layer, don't leave any gap, and just start wrapping it until your bangle get covered completely. So here you can use any kind of shade, whatever is your dress color, your sari color. You can create the bangle according to that color theme. Here I am using today only pastel shades, and now I have reached to the end of the wrapping work. So added little glue here and just secure the thread on back side. Cut the excess thread and allow it to dry completely, and our first bangle base is completely ready. Now here I have 5 different shapes. So I am using mint blue color, baby pink color, light olive green color. Here I have wrapped yellow already, and last one I am using lavender purple color. So completing it quickly and then we'll meet again. So here I have wrapped all 5 bangles and created my own set. I have just changed the center piece with mint blue color because I have mint blue thread more, and since this is the thicker one, so I need 2 thread bunches to complete this pattern. Now I'm starting with my first bangle, that is a thicker one. So here I have just created this star kind of pattern on my bangle using pencil, taking pink color embroidery thread and using all 8 strands. Then we have to just create the same pattern using thread, and since this is very thick, so while pulling your needle you may need a plier to pull your thread. So just creating the star kind of shape, and here I am showing you how to make beautiful rows using embroidery work. And this is done. then just passing it very near to the center and start creating the rows. So you have to pass under one line, then top of the next line, again under one line, top of the next line, under one line, and alternatively we have to do under each line in circular motion to complete the rose shape. And while I am reaching towards the outer side, just applying little bit of glue so that the outer petals will stick nicely, because we are wearing it on our hands, so it should be perfect and sturdy. The thread should not move. And at the end I am adding little bit of more glue, passing through the rose and just securing the end. Cutting the excess thread and secure it with glue at the end. And for the final secure, I am using here B7000 glue. And the perfect rose is completely ready. Similarly, I am going to create total 4 roses in 4 corners. So fourth one I will make with same process. Now here it's time to add the leaves. So again I am using B7000 glue and start sticking it in a wavy pattern like this. Here I am using dark olive green thread, again using 8 strands, then passing under the rose in one corner like this. To pass it, it's best to use needle. And then again adding glue on the wavy style and creating the stem between both the roses. So with the same method I am going to complete the remaining 2 sides. And then to attach leaves, here I am using Kundan leaf patterns. These are Kundan stones, and to stick this again I am using B7000 glue. Like this, so pretty. So just complete it. And then at the end I am adding the border using medium blue colored thread. So I have already added one border using gold thread, and then on top of this I am adding one more border for the finishing using medium blue color. Just securing it using glue. And the gorgeous embroidery work first bangle is ready, looking very stunning. Then starting with my second pattern, that is baby pink color. So here I am using silver gota patti lace. Just from back side added little glue and start wrapping it around your bangle diagonally like this. Leave approx 1.5 centimeter gap between each wrap and just complete it till the end. Now add little glue on back side again and also in the front and create the cross pattern like this. And now again we have to wrap it on each diagonal line to create the cross patterns around the bangle. like this. And it's completely done. Now between each cross pattern I am sticking diamond shaped mirrors. All the supply links are given in description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can go through those links, and also don't forget to check the coupon codes given in the description box again for the extra discounts. And now you can see my videos in Hindi language also. So our second bangle is also ready. Now I'm starting with the super gorgeous yellow one. So taking my yellow based bangle, add little glue by leaving 1 centimeter gap and sticking small size circular mirror. These are 5 mm round glass mirrors. So first of all we have to stick these mirror around the bangle. Like this, and then in the wavy manner I am going to stick medium yellow color thread like this. Very easy. And here don't forget to add glue while doing this work. So in the bottom, in the top, in the bottom, in the top, like in the wavy pattern, we have to add glue. So here I am using my fabric glue. You can also use B6000 or 7000 glue and complete the pattern of the waved look. So you can keep your bangle like this also, but I am going to cover it on other side also in opposite wavy shape. So here I am starting with my opposite wavy pattern with the same method. Added little glue and completing the pattern on other side. And the beautiful bangle is ready. Then starting with the lavender one, my favorite color. So first of all we have to add glue in the center part, and I am going to start sticking these beautiful shaded sequences, which is the mixture of blue, purple and pink color, and it matches with the base perfectly. So we have to cover the center line using these beautiful holographic sequences. Like this. Now on one side I have already added purple thread, and similarly on other side I am adding one more purple thread by using all 8 strands. So I have already added B7000 glue on the edge, and now I am sticking it nicely for the finishing look. Cutting the excess thread, merging it with the base nicely, and our gorgeous lavender bangle is also completely ready. Then starting with the last but not the least, the green one. So here I am using the beautiful bunch of pearl seed beads, and I am sticking it exactly in the center of the bangle like this. And this is done. Then on one side I have already added green color thread, and on another side I am adding the 7 mm eye-shaped glass mirrors. These are so teeny mini and it gives nice blink to your bangle. It's looking super gorgeous. So just completing the pattern, and our 5th bangle is also ready. So all my 5 bangle patterns are completely ready and they are looking absolutely stunning. So according to your outfit, you can create your own customized bangles, and it is also a very good idea to gift in Mother's Day or to your friend as a wedding gift, or you can make for yourself. And I'm quickly wearing it and showing you how it looks. It's very trendy, very fashionable and very pastel. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.